Thursday. Hey Leslie, I just wanted to make a quick little video here for you just to kind of help you navigate in the website. So I'm going to click on the link, go to the website, click Go Shopping. And so then when you go through this very first page here, it just kind of sets it up in categories. So this is all the cookware, this is all the food, and then that's the Epic Life program. And then the stuff here at the bottom, these are kind of just some specials that were released last month for the holidays. So let me just go back up here. Let's look at the food. Okay, so I'm going to click there and this is all the food. So it's in categories. So this is holiday, different sippers. That's probably where all the teas and the matcha and stuff like that. And then your holiday foods. And then seasonal favorites, better than takeout. Broths, collections, condiments, cookbooks and meal plans, desserts, dips. So that's all of that. So let me just click on dip, for example. So if you were looking for one of the dips that's through here, these are all of our dips. And if you want to add something to your bag, you just simply, I'm just going to click on the guacamole just for an example. Click add to bag. And so you see how that little bag up there at the top, it has one item in it. So it shows, and then it shows down here by the guacamole that's what you added to the bag. Okay, so now if you want to, let's say, okay, that's all the dip I want. Let me go back and look at something else. So then you're gonna hit the back arrow, which is all the way up here at the top, right next to the word dip, all the way at the top. So go back. Now let's say I want to look at, let's get some dressing. Okay, let's get the Better Than Bacon topper. I'm going to add that to my bag. Okay, that's all I want from there. Let me go back. Let me see what are the holiday foods. What are the specials in here? Oh, okay. Oh, popcorn trio. That looks great. Let me add that to my bag. Okay. So then just go back. And then if you want to get out of the food section, you're just going to hit that back arrow one more time. Okay. So now let's look at some cookware. Let's see what we got. And then this same thing. It's just in the categories. So you can look through each of these categories and it's going to show you either specials that we have right now or what's in our seasonal catalog. So I scroll down here to the silicone cookware, click on that. Here's where all the silicone is. There's the multi-purpose steamer that I used last night. So let's add that to the bag because that's a must-have for everybody. And then let's say, okay, that's all I want there. Let me go back. And then again, we're back to just all the categories of the cookware. Oh, let me just take a look at the pots and pans. Oh, okay, sheet liners, yeah, and the sheet pans, those are great. Multi-purpose pot. Oh, the wok, ooh, that's beautiful. Love the wok. Okay, so then we're gonna go back and let's say, okay, we're done with the cookware, so let me go back. Okay, so then let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, the Epic Life program, and then there you go. Then that really is everything. It's just all by the categories, either cookware or by food. And then once you click in there, then you're going to see, okay, what kind of food, your seasonal favorites, your, your meal plans, your toppers, your dips, your, whatever, meal kits, meal solutions. So let me just click in meal kits. These are some meal kits, great for getting started. If you need some ideas, we got Mexican, good Greek, Asian. I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on, meal solutions. Okay, so this is where all the meal solutions are. So you can look, and they're all in alphabetical order. So you can look through here, and this is all the variety of the different meal solutions that we have. There's the enchiladas that I made last night. Okay, so everything is in here for the meal solutions. All right, let me go back. And then let's see. Oh, let me look at the pantry staples. So this is where all of the seasonings and spices would be that are in the jars. Okay. for the pantry staples. That's obviously not all of our seasonings, but that's just the pantry staples. There's the desserts, herbs and spices. Here we go. Here's all the herbs and spices that are in our jars. Again, they're in alphabetical order. Okay, I hope this helps. And then obviously when you're ready to check out, you just click on the bag. Here is your shopping bag where everything is at. And then you just click on check out. And you would, it just takes a second to create a little account with your email and phone number, and then it goes from there, okay? So let me know, take a look around, see if that helps. If it doesn't, just let me know what you want, and I can put your order in through the back office. It's no big deal.